Good morning, everybody. This is Dr. Rasim Maiti. I'm just giving a better news in this COVID pandemic situations that in the third wave just has striked already the three different cities of India, three states of India, and affecting almost 40 to 50 patients with the third Delta plus COVID-19 virus with the all virulent symptoms. As you know, this virus is immune resistance. That is immune to all sorts of antibodies, whether the antibodies acquired by the vaccines or by natural infections, and also not responsive to the conventional treatment updated now till date, like antiviral injections like remdesivir and also the other symptomatic and supportive treatments. But don't worry, doctors are already on the way of treating these critical cases. As you know, this virus primarily affected the pulmonary type 2 receptors in the lung, and this highly virulent virus is resistant to all sorts of antibodies, so it may affect the lung rapidly, and heavy viremia may smash the lung lives and gives rise to massive cardiorespiratory failure, especially lung failure, followed by the cardiac and multi-organ failure due to hyperviscosity syndrome or hypercoagulation states. So the doctors are well on concept with the tackling the new Delta coronavirus. Actually, the actual virulency and the actually it is highly virulent, highly infective, and it can rapidly spreads to the others. Whenever there is some gatherings or some surroundings, it can stay on the uh, environment for half an hour, because it has converted into micro virus, and so floating on the dust particles or the floating particles or suspended particles in the airs, it can persist for a prolonged time and can affect rapidly a huge number of people with a single source of infection. So continuous lockdown is not possible in our country because we are already financially smashed. So only the maintaining the social distance, personal hygiene, and use 3 layered or 5 layered mask at home and outside your home. And the good news for the children are that children may be affected from the adults. So if we can protect ourselves by maintaining our sanitizations, maintaining safe distance or social distance, or as far as safe distance from the children's, and also maintaining personal hygiene, and if we can vaccinate ourselves by at least single or double doses of any sort of anti-COVID virus vaccines, so indirectly or by the process, we are the super spreader, we are the contacts of the children, so the children should be can be protected by home separations of the affected persons. Whenever any symptoms of COVID-19 virus, rapidly go for the rapid antigen test or followed by RT-PCR test, and try to keep isolated from the from your children, from your child, by home isolation strictly for 14 days. Not only that, the emerging vaccines for the children are on the trials, second stage of trials. As it could have been started earlier, so that by this time we could have vaccinated at least 25% of the children from 2 to 18 years of age. Actually, already the Covaxin and the Sputnik V and some sort of Covishield vaccines trial on the children up to 18 years are going on here in this part of the world. There is India. It has been proved with the efficacy and safety in other developed countries like America, UK, etc. They have vaccinated their children already. So by the end of September, the trial will be completed. That is, after getting the fourth trial stage green signal, the ICMR or WHO will give permission to vaccinate our future generations, that is child. The will start the vaccinations against this COVID-19 virus with the proper strain, without any side effects or without any bad effects, and with a good consequence of strong immunity in children. By this time, we have to keep our children safe away from the source of infections, and um, not to and to avoid social functions and ritual gatherings, etc. And that gatherings should be avoided, and also they have to be injected by some antiviral vaccines like measles, mumps, MMR, mumps, measles, rubella, that is MMR vaccines, influenza vaccines, and pneumococcal conjugate vaccines. Already we have the Indians have vaccinated by the BCG, so altogether the children are immune. And don't worry, the children's lung, the pulmonary type 2 receptors are not developed in the children, so the target cells of this SARS-CoV-2 virus Delta or Delta plus, the most mutated, most virulent virus in the third wave, which are going to impact with the full strength in the month of August. We are apprehending all the doctors, the epidemiologists and virologists are suspecting that India will be affected on the August. So before that, we have to inject ourselves as far as possible. At least 40 to 50% of our Indian population should be vaccinated rapidly by the Indian and the state government collaborations, by availing the vaccines with the government, non-government, and some social or personal organizations or private organizations, NGO, etc. So availability of the vaccine should be rapidly done, and so we, as far as possible, as much as possible, the adults patients should be vaccinated by at least single dose of anti-COVID virus vaccines or second dose of virus. And don't worry, the pediatricians are ready to treat the children by symptomatic and supportive treatment. The children's lung will not be affected, I think, according to updated knowledge in the Lancet or the all England journals. The children's lung are not so affected, especially 2 to 12 years children are not affected because they are devoid of pulmonary type 2 angiotensin converting enzyme receptors. So their systemic involvement like multisystemic inflammatory syndrome, hypercoagulation states can be treated with IV crystalloids, and also above 12 years injection remdesivir can be used, and below 12 years the methylprednisolone, dexamethasone, high steroids, crystalloid, IV crystalloids fluids, that is volume containing sodium containing fluids, ringers, etc. And also by exchange transfusions or plasmapheresis or partial exchange transfusions, and also that is high dose of methylprednisolones, and not last but the least, the IV gamma solution, that is immunomodulator drugs, which helps in the process of tackling the hypercoagulation states in the children, which leads to multi-organ failure, and that is a very dreadful situation in the children. So we are just capable of tackling any sort of situations for the children, where the pediatricians are ready with the pediatric ICU, and already the WHO ICMR has jointly, the Central Health Policy and Central Government, Central Health Department has already chalked out the mode of planning for the mild case, moderate case, and severe cases of pediatric COVID-19 in children. Treatment modalities already has been published, and the treatment guidelines already given. So we are the pediatricians who are on the practice on the field right from the beginning. We are capable of tackling any sort of critical situations for the pediatric age groups, especially those who are working in the field, in the hospitals, and also the pediatric ICUs or the outdoor and indoor, everything. The experienced doctors are ready to protect our beautiful gift of God, the children. So don't worry, parents, you just try to keep away your children until they have been vaccinated by COVID-19 virus vaccine, which are expected to be started from September onwards. And after vaccinations being given to the children will be protected from this COVID-19 virus vaccine. So don't worry, always think best, always think positive, don't be negative, don't be despair, don't be disheartened. We are with you, God with us, and everybody will be okay, and everybody will be out of any sort of natural calamities, national calamities, and also any dreadful disease, whether viral or bacterial. Good days are coming, don't worry. Actually, just we are late in starting our activities. This very unfortunate, we have financial smash, so lockdown is not the final answer. The answer is we have to work with full cautious with using masks, maintaining social distance and personal hygiene, and always use mask except during sleep. This is my small message to the nation, small message to the all people, and I am asking everybody to pray to God, and my heartful prayer to the supernatural powers to keep everybody's in the world disease free, all is well, and that is get well soon message to the nation and the world as well, and world at large. And have a nice day. Jai Hind, Bande Mataram, Jai Bharat Mata, Jai Vishwa Mata.